Hello everyone, it's Ethan from the Orlando Tours. Today is Friday, May 23rd. Yesterday we were at Epic Universe for the grand opening ceremony, but today, getting even more content, we have another new event starting here at SeaWorld Orlando. Today is their first day of their summer event, and we're here 10 minutes late for their parade. The parade just started. I think they might have delayed the kickoff for the parade, but we're running over there now. We have a new circus show at the Nautilus Theater that we're going to see today. And then we also have a revamped Electric Ocean Club Sea Glow. So we have our Ignite fireworks to end the night off tonight at 9 p.m. But then we have our DJ and our dance floor with apparently brand new costumes, brand new choreography, and I can't wait to see it all. So just got into the park, not so busy yet. There's some new pass holder benefits we're gonna use. We'll go back to the machine, the kiosk later, and print those. But we're heading around for the parade. Let's get over there. Rescue Tales is also back this year. Not gonna watch this today.
Enjoy your day at SeaWorld Orlando. And remember, together we can change the world, one heartfelt choice at a time.
So they had an acceleration circ show last summer. This year we have Hydro Surge. We're gonna watch it 2:30. We have our show in like an hour. So as far as the food booths, I guess they actually have new booths set up around the park. So we have Summer Spectacular, like maybe alcohol as well. These aren't open yet, so maybe they're gonna open later. This one has no menus at all, so maybe this one will open today. This is neat to see this. Really like this. And then over here, we have Summer Bites. So this is brand new for this year. We have chicken pinchos, pork pinchos, yuca fries, and chicken paella. A lot of these are pretty much stuff from the Seven Seas, like the pork pinchos were delicious. I might have to try this. The yuca fries sound amazing. Your frozen pina coladas and beer. I think this might only be in the weekends available for food items and stuff. I'm not 100% sure, but this sounds really delicious. I'm hoping for pass holder benefits. They'll even have free samples available on some days too. So SeaWorld has a brand new route for their parade this year. Pretty much the same parade last year that they had. It was their 60th, so much more to see parade. This year it's the Shamu and Crew Parade. So same exact thing, they still have the same soundtrack, same characters. They have a new route. They come out by the sea lions and go all the way by the other side of the sea lion stand. So they come out their normal exit spot kind of closer to Mako. So we only caught half of it. They have their dance moment. Only one this time. They don't have a show moment in By Journey to Atlantis. But yeah, they do a normal parade, stop for a show, and then keep going. So we got to see most of the characters, but if you want to see more footage of that, check out my social media posts and stuff from last year's parade. We're going to watch it more later in the season as well, but they only do one show a day. So we caught most of it, but we still have a lot more to show you guys today as far as entertainment in the park. Looks like we have another food booth over here for the Summer Spectacular. More items. We have some empanadas, an egg roll, and a taco as well. So this is amazing. They got lots of great food options. I didn't even know this was going to be part of the event, so that's cool. It's a holiday weekend, so it should be busy at SeaWorld this weekend, but Friday, we're here today, and we have some pass holder benefits we just printed. We have a quick queue, we have bucks, and we have a free drink refill, so we're going to use all this today. They're opening doors about 20 minutes before the show, so we're going to head in. Can't wait to see the show. It was amazing last year. Can't wait to see what they're cooking up this year. Another circus style show. We're now entered. I like the set so far. Can't wait to see what they're cooking up. This is gonna be amazing. So we just caught the new Hydro Surge show. Really nice show. It was probably about 20 something minutes long. It has a lot of circus elements like acrobats, different stunts and stuff. Overall, the dancing was very good. The music choices were also very good. It has a lot of slow music. It's got different choreo, a whole different style search show than last year. In my opinion, I do prefer the last year's show better. It had more high energy, more faster paced dancing, and just different elements. But they had silk performers. The one from Nightmare Fuel from Halloween Horror Nights is actually in this show. So I thought that was really cool. Really talented dancers and performers all around. Lots of great flips and just different tricks in general in this show. So honestly, it is a must-see. Come out and watch it. Like I said, I do kind of prefer last year's a little bit better just because the style that they went with, the music, the faster pace. But this has got like neon parts of different animals and just different things. Like it's really fun. So yeah, come out and watch it. I would give it probably an 8 out of 10. Really solid shows. The next Hydro Surge viewing is at 4 o'clock, which is in an hour. So we're gonna go watch it again, get some photos this time. This weekend is Memorial Day weekend, so it is busy. And the new ride that they just opened 2 weeks ago, we've ridden it 7 times now. 30-minute wait only, so not too bad. They still don't have their new attraction sign yet for the ride though. They do have this new photo op here for the Summer Spectacular. Really cool, it's like a neon narwhal with the Arctic lights. Really like this, it's pretty neat. And we have our whole Club Seagull stuff over there. We'll check that out later when it opens at like 7:30, 7 o'clock. The next show starts in about 25 minutes. So we're gonna hit it again, get some photos this time. Back for round 2. We just had a great second showing of the show. And now we're over by Rescue Tales. If you wanna see this show, the animals, they actually have real animals opposed to the other shows has fake ones. This show is in the morning, so we're not able to actually watch this today. But they got some really cool critters in there. Definitely a must watch. Over at the boba stand, they have these new flavors. It looks like Mardi Gras themed, but it's not even close to Mardi Gras right now. We're in the end of May. So, but they look neat. They look really yummy. We still have one more big event today. The fireworks at the end of the night and the Club Seagull dance area. And we're gonna check that out. It's in about 3 hours. And I would love to try the new food they have for the summer event here. But the food booths are not open today. They'll probably open tomorrow for the holiday weekend. But at the moment, putting the camera away in the car, we're gonna ride some coasters, and we'll pick it back up as it gets closer to Club Seagull. So we're now back into the park. We spent a couple hours. We did Mako 2 times. We got a boba drink at the stand over there, really delicious. Then we got some chicken tenders. But now they got sesame going on. We might catch the last part of that. And then in 1 hour starts Club Seagull. So we're gonna head over there, but we're gonna see if we can catch a little bit of sesame as they wrap up their parade that's been going on right now. And we're heading around. In the next 3 minutes, we're supposed to have Electric Ocean start, but they haven't even moved the barrier yet, so we're gonna see what they do. 10 minutes late, but we're now heading into Seaglow. Hopefully we're not too late to their opening acts, we'll see. We got dancers out now, we got a new puppet, we have an octopus out now. Love all the new puppets, we got a whale coming here. We got a seahorse. Just a big party rave.
Yes, friends, come on, make some noise for your club. SeaWorld dancers for the first time in 2025, everybody. Push those hands together. Come on, everybody, stand up, stand up. This is not a sit-down party, let's go, let's go. We want to hear you make some noise out there. We want you to party with us. One hand up nice and slow, side to side, side to side. There we go, feel it, feel it.
Inspire the human race. One small spark.
That's right, that's right.
can't hear me with the DJ. My stuff might get copyrighted, but this is just a giant rave at SeaWorld. Giant dance party. It's like a mini EDM. We got a great DJ playing some tunes. We got octopus and stuff. We got dancers. It's a vibe.
inspire the human race.
Thank you so much.
We just got wrapped up with the summer celebration, Electric Ocean. The fireworks are amazing every year here, and they have so many good food stands. We haven't been able to try the food, but we were able to see the dancing that they have this year. They made some changes to SeaGlow, and as you can see, they're gonna have some merch stuff over here. And they're making a huge change next week, but also we have this Coke food booth here, so probably all be open tomorrow. It's really cool. Supposedly in a week from today, SeaWorld is adding drones to their fireworks show. So we're gonna see that. We're gonna post it on our social media pages, and we'll keep you guys posted, probably on our YouTube channel as well. So yeah, today was amazing. Got to see their brand new show earlier today. Their Surge. Really cool dance show. Definitely a different vibe than last year. They got new, dancing. They got new specialty acts in there. And then we also saw a bit of their parade today. Amazing. Had some food at the park. Got to check out the summer celebration, the Electric Ocean. Like I said, they've made some changes to that. Still an amazing DJ vibes, dance party, everything's really fun. It's just a whole party in the summertime. And then of course we have our best fireworks show that is in Orlando in my opinion. The fireworks here are amazing. And the fact that they're gonna add drones is just incredible. I can't wait to see that next week. So we're now heading out today. It's gonna be it for us from SeaWorld tonight. Had an amazing time, honestly. So like I said, that's gonna be it for us tonight from SeaWorld. Had an amazing time. If you haven't checked out the summer celebration in years past, definitely check it out. And if you have checked it out, it's so much fun. You'll really enjoy what they have in store for you this year. And next week they're adding drones apparently. So like I said, we'll be back and I can't wait to see that. It's gonna elevate this event that's already great to amazing. So can't wait for that. Hopefully we'll be able to try some of the food when they had that available, because it wasn't today. But this event happens weekends, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And eventually during the busy parts of summer they'll make it every day, so can't wait for that. We'll be here all the time, and if you want to see more coverage from us, make sure to stay tuned, subscribe, and check out the description. We have all of our social media channels posted. We're at the handle @EthanHershraft on all platforms like Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. Also Instagram @TheOrlandoTours. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.